Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Najwa Nadifa. My last student ID is active 4. Here I want to explain to you about the browser text. Browser text is a type text that the content step or instruction that must be followed systematically to achieve a certain goal. This text is usually used to provide instruction for doing an activity, making something, or operating something correctly and efficiently, maybe such as how to make, how to use, etc. Then, the purpose of this browser text is to help reader understand and follow certain steps systematically in order to achieve the desired result without difficulty. Browser text function as a guide to provide instruction in a structured way so that readers can complete a task or process correctly and efficiently. Because it aims to provide direction, so this browser text must be organized in a clear, coherent, and easy to understand manner. So if the browser text is not clear and coherent, so the reader will be confused and the result is will be failed. And then next there are three types of browser text. The first is simple procedure text. This content of the browser text is short and easy to follow step, maybe such as how to turn the light, how to turn the lamp. And then the second type is there is complex browser text. This type has many steps that must be done systematically, such as how to make food, like cooking recipe or instruction for using an electronic device. And the last is protocol browser text. This type is the steps are more flexible and do not have to be sequential. The example, safety procedure during an earthquake. So the difference about complex browser text and protocol browser text is if complex browser text, you must follow all the steps, but if protocol browser text, this is flexible and you don't have to be follow the sequential step. So after that, there are characteristics of browser text. The first is use command sentence. This command sentence means asking the reader to do something. And then the second is use active verb. This active verb is provide an action. And then the third is use conjunction to sequence activity. This conjunction include next, then, the other, first, second, etc. And then the fourth is use advice and prohibition sentence. And then the five is give information, maybe such as how to use, how to make. After that, the content details type. The step is versatile and clear. And then the next is explanation of step in a continuous and interconnected. So the step is coherent, and then the last is actual and accurate. So if the browser text is not accurate and actual, so the reader will be filed in the result. And then after that we will discuss about the browser text structure. There are 5 structure. The first is title. Maybe if you want to make iced tea, so the title is can such as how to make iced tea. And then the second is objective or the purpose of your purpose tag. And then the third is material or tools, so you can prepare all the material. And then the fourth is step, you can make the step from the first, maybe such as prepare the material and then until finish. After that, the last is closing. Next, we will discuss about the benefit of the text procedure. The benefit is the first is facilitates understanding, and then the second is reduce error because the step is very clear, and then the third is increase efficiently, the fourth is ensure safety, the fifth is add standardization, and the last is increase independence. And I will give you some example For procedure text there is example of step to make ice milk. How to make ice milk? The first is you can prepare a glass or container to serve ice milk. And the second is you can put enough ice cup into the glass. And the third is add sugar if you want it sweeter, then stir with a little warm water until dissolved. And the fourth is pour the liquid milk into the glass with ice. And next, add syrup to taste for additional flavor. And after that, stir until all ingredients are evenly mixed. After you stir the ingredient, add toppings such as soft chocolate, cheese, or boba if dessert. And the last is ice milk is ready to be served and enjoy. And then, if you want to make procedure text, you must be considered in writing procedure text. The first is you must define clear objection or purpose. And then the second is systematically read the step. You must read the step is systematically. After that, the third is use clear and understandable language. Don't use the abstract language or the abstract instruction. If you use the abstract language or abstract instruction, so later the reader will be confused. After that, the fourth is use imperative verb. And then the fifth is use chronological conjunction, maybe such as the first, second, next, then, etc. And then next, provide precise detail. And then after that, uses an easy to read format. You don't write the format is unclear. You must read the format is very easy, so it's clear to understand. And the last is include illustration or image, so later the reader can image what is the finish that they make. So maybe that's all for me about the procedure text. I think enough for me, and as I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.